Hello everyone, let's look at the steps to change the time server setting on Windows 11. So the time server is a service that uses the Network Time Protocol or MTP to automatically synchronize your computer's clock with a highly accurate external reference clock. By default, Windows 11 and non-domain joined computers usually use the time.windows.com service external clock, which is maintained by Microsoft. It is important to note that timekeeping is critical for proper network function, especially for secure communication and authentication. So if you must change the time server on your computer, there are at least 3 different ways that you can do this. Okay, first, we're going to be using the Settings app. And to do this, open Start and look for Settings. And then we're going to go to Time and Language. And from here, we're going to go to Date and Time. Then under Additional Settings, click on Sync Now. And if you're running the latest update of Windows 11, you're going to find a new Change button that corresponds to the Change the Time Server setting on Windows. And from here, for example, we can use pool.mtp.org. And then we can click the Sync Now button to make sure that the time gets synchronized. And that's it. Now, you can also complete this configuration from Control Panel. And to do that, open Start and look for Control Panel. And from here, we're going to click on Clock and Region. And from here, we're just going to click on Date and Time. And then we're going to go to the Internet Time tab. And from here, we're just going to click on Change Settings. And as you can see, now we can change the time server to anything that we want. So because I used different ones before, they're here in the history. So we can select a different time server. And once you do that, just click the Update Now button just to synchronize the time with your computer. Then just click OK, OK again, and that's it. Now, you can also change the time server setting using Command Prompt. And to do that, just open Start and look for Command Prompt or the terminal. I like to use the terminal, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to right click on the top result and I'm going to select to run this as administrator. I'm going to clear the screen. And first, I'm going to turn on the service in order to update the settings. And to do that, we need to use this command. So because I'm recording this video and I'm already changing the settings, the service is already started. But if you're doing this as the first option, if you try to change the time server, you might get an error saying that the service is not started. So if that happens, you need to run this command. Now, to check your current configuration, type this command and press enter. And from here, we can see that I'm using this particular time server. Now, to change it, we need to run this command. Just make sure that in here, you specify the time server that you want to use. In this particular case, I'm using the time.google.com and press enter. And now the computer is using a different time server. Now, this is optional, but recommended. You want to stop the time server setting service, and then you want to start it again. And you can use this command. Also, you want to force the computer to sync the time with the external clock. And to do that, we can use this command right here. And finally, we can run this command to see if the new time server has been applied correctly to the computer. And as you can see, when we look at the NTP server setting, we can see that we have the new time server already applied. And that's it. Those are 3 easy ways that you can use to change the time server configuration on your computer. Remember to leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you. And I would like to thank you for viewing.